Hi everyone, I'm Vishnu Bene from India Hikes. In this video, I'm talking about the best time to do the Gomukh Tapovan trek. Gomukh Tapovan is one of India's most favorite treks, and it's rightly so. This is one of the treks where you can see the big mountain views right from the bottom of the mountain all the way until the top. It's very rare that you get to see such big mountains in any of the treks in our country. Let me tell you why. In the months of September and October, that is the autumn season, you get to see crystal clear views on the Gomukh Tapovan trek. The monsoon season would have just ended and there is no clouds obstructing your views of these big mountains. Especially in the Tapovan campsite, which is at around 14,000 feet, you are right up there very close to these big mountains. There's Mount Shivling on the right, then there is the Bhagirathi sisters on the left, which you actually start seeing from the second campsite Bhojbasa itself. The visibility is so clear that on the way, during the start of the trek, after you cross the Chirbasa campsite, on the right side you are going to see Mount Meru, which is quite far away, and it's a grand mountain that you would be seeing there as well for a very brief period of time. That is the level of visibility that you are going to find in the autumn season. Along with this, there is of course the red junipers that you are going to see all along the way, and it's a beautiful sight. And September and October, the autumn season, is one of the best times to go do the Gomukh Tapovan trek. Let's come to the summer season, that is the May and the June months. There's a lot of snow that you are going to experience during this particular time. If you're standing at the Tapovan campsite, it will actually be buried in snow if you are going in the summer season. And it's a different experience altogether to stand there in the Tapovan campsite with big mountains popping out of the huge snowfield that you would be standing in. Of course, the trek gets a little bit more challenging and adventurous as well, and trekkers absolutely love this challenge that the Gomukh Tapovan trek poses in the summer season. However, in this particular season, you can expect a bit of rain on this trail. So if you are going in the summer season, do not forget your rain gear. So there you go. These are the best times to do the Gomukh Tapovan trek: the summer months, May and June, and the autumn months, September and October. These are the only two times when the trek is accessible as well. So choose the season that you want to go trekking depending on what you want to experience on the trek. Check out the full documentation of the trek on our website. You are going to find the maps and the GPX trail as well for the Gomukh Tapovan trek, and you are going to see pictures of this particular trek in various seasons so that you can easily compare. If you have any doubts, you can always reach us at info@indiahikes.com. For more such videos, hit subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it to get reminded of our videos. To know more about the trekking world itself, you can always follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.